led by Nathan Kirkpatrick's 4 touchdowns, including this 90-yard run from scrimmage. The Otsego Bulldogs freshman football team rolled over the game but outmanned South Haven Rams tonight, 62-0. Running back Colin Aarons also scored twice for the Dogs, including this 33-yard touchdown burst. Harold Watkins also put a touchdown on the board for the Dogs. And Alex Praskurnia chipped in with 3 extra points. The Dogs' defense was airtight again and also got in on the scoring fun as Logan Kaiser and Dustin Voss teamed up on the safety. Eric Sullivan went all the way a linebacker and also saw his first action of the season at wide receiver and running back. Sullivan also showed speed and toughness on a 45-yard kickoff return. It was the second shutout of the young season for the Bulldogs, who improved their record to 4-0.